If you manage cleaning across multiple properties, you already know the real risk isn't a bad clean. It's not knowing about the bad clean until a guest tells you, or worse, until they leave a review. We spent 9 years running cleaning and hospitality operations, and the question we built Clyn to answer is simple. How do you know it's actually clean without driving there yourself? Right now, your proof that a turnover met standard is a text message and a photo you hope someone actually looked at. Clyn replaces that with a verified record. Before photos, after photos, and an AI comparison score generated automatically every single turnover. Let me show you exactly how it works start to finish. It starts with your property manager account. Log in, and you land on your dashboard, every property you manage in one place. First, invite your cleaning provider into Clyn. One invite. They get access to their own portal, no separate app to buy or complicated onboarding call needed. Then assign that provider to the specific properties they clean. You control exactly which properties each provider can see and work on, nothing more. Once they're assigned, they see every cleaning job tied to those properties, whether it was scheduled automatically from a booking calendar or added manually. No guessing what's next. When it's time to clean, the provider goes to Cleaning Reports, opens today's job, and clicks Upload before and after photos. That opens a guided flow, so there's no confusion about what to do. First step, they confirm they've arrived at the property. That timestamp is part of the record too. Next, before photos, uploaded in bulk. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, whatever your checklist requires. As soon as that batch upload, Clyn's AI is already analyzing it. Once the clean is done, same process for after photos. Upload the batch, and Clyn analyzes those too. And here's the part that matters most. Clyn compares the before and after photos directly and generates a match score along with specific feedback right there in real time. This one scored 10 out of 10. If something was missed, the provider sees exactly what and where before the property manager ever has to ask. That turnover now has a complete report. The score, the photos, and a clear read on whether that property met your turnover standard. You didn't have to call anyone or drive over to check. And it's not just one property. Every job across your entire portfolio lives in the same Cleaning Reports tab, filtered by scheduled, in progress, or complete, so you always know exactly where things stand. That's the whole loop. Invite your provider, assign properties, and every turnover comes back to you verified, not promised. This is the exact gap we built Clyn to close, and it's live today, across hospitality and facilities, not just short-term rentals. If you manage cleaning across more than a couple of properties, this is worth 5 minutes of your time. Links below, book a demo call, or start free at rentals.clyn.com.